Hello everyone, I'd like to present to you my energy efficient home design. First, I just wanted to give you a quick home tour. Here is the front entrance of the house where it displays a door and my first window, and you can see that it has a picture of Patrick on the door. Then on the left side it has a picture of two Patricks and it displays my second window. Then on the right side, it has a picture of SpongeBob and Patrick and a picture of Timmy Turner. And as you can see, Patrick is my favorite character. And for the back, I just painted it a reddish orangish color and added some Nickelodeon slime type designs. And for the back and for the roof of the house, I added some flowers. For the door, I insulated it by using the weather stripping to cover the cracks where the door met the wall. Then I covered it in flowers to make it look better. So the whole process of the door was I painted it, and then of course I had to add my picture of Patrick, and I placed the weather stripping on the outside, and then so when the door is opening and closing, the cracks are sealed. Then, of course, I added the flowers so I wouldn't make the weather stripping obvious. Then for the inside of the door, I didn't really do anything for the inside. I just left it as is. For the windows, I cut two 10 by 10 centimeter squares into my house. Next, I cut out the transparent paper to fit the hole and insulated it with clay weather stripping. Finally, I added a couple flowers to make it appear nicer. For the windows, I didn't really give them a special design. I was mainly focusing on insulating them and making them efficient. For the wall, ceiling, and floor, I insulated the walls with one layer of bubble wrap and a layer of the dark brown material. For the ceiling, I used aluminum foil. And finally, for the floor, I used one layer of bubble wrap, a layer of dark brown material, and one layer of the light brown. The reason why I used aluminum foil for the ceiling insulation is so that when the sunlight is shining on the house, it can receive heat energy by radiant energy. The temperature change. So the initial temperature was 24.2 degrees Celsius, and then the final temperature was 22.5 degrees Celsius. The temperature change wasn't a vast amount of change, but it was only negative 1.7 degrees Celsius. I have made my house efficient by using the aluminum foil on the ceiling, which uses the light energy to create heat energy in the house. I can conserve this heat energy by using the aluminum foil to bring it in and the weather stripping from the door and windows to keep the energy inside of the house. Thank you all for listening to my presentation, and I hope to see you all soon.